looking forward to teaching a Nashville Acoustic Camp Zoom Workshop series this November on Dobro arrangements of well-known Christmas songs, plus Auld Lang Syne, to help Dobro players of all experience levels get ready for the holidays. This will be my 7th Zoom Workshop series for Nashville Acoustic Camps. I've had a lot of happy customers, largely because I put in a huge amount of work beforehand, provide a mountain of supplementary materials, and give attendees a systematic, productive, and enjoyable 4 weeks of learning. Along the way, we'll work through relevant scales, fretboard pockets, and picking and barring techniques, so you'll be enhancing your Dobro knowledge and skills throughout. Detailed tab, along with charts, backing tracks, and separate audio recordings of all the Dobro arrangements will be provided, and attendees will receive links to download the class recordings. For this workshop series, I'll be teaching 6 songs, each with a straightforward melody-based arrangement and, building strategically from the melodic outline we learned in the beginning version, an intermediate advanced arrangement. So in addition to learning repertoire, you'll be learning to develop more advanced arrangements from simple bare-bones versions of tunes. Classes, each about an hour and a half long, will take place Wednesdays in November at 7:30 p.m. Central. Classes are recorded, so there's no need to attend live, but it's more fun if you do. To register, please visit NashvilleAcousticCamps.com and navigate to the Zoom Workshops page. This will be a good time, like a month-long glass of Resophonic eggnog. Hope to see you there.